Hey, what's up, y'all? So we in Beverly Hills right now. We got an inspection. They said they got like 3 rooms for us. They want us to treat the walls with the fabric mate system and then give them a couple clouds. I think it's gonna be pretty cool, man. Check it out.
How long you guys been here?
We just moved in. Yeah, we just signed the paper and everything yesterday. So.
Alright.
Hey, how's it going?
This is our. This is the first phase. Basically, so we're having people come in to do soundproofing soon, probably some like double layer drywall and green glue and all that. Yeah, 'cause it's an old building, so we.
Things into the wall. Was they gonna like just add to the wall?
Pretty much, I think.
Yeah, but if you like know what you're doing.
Yeah, it's an easier system instead of like green glue, because green glue is like labor intense.
Right.
So you could rather spend it on materials and get like basically the same thing but cheaper labor. They have this thing called Quiet Rock.
Yes, I've heard of Quiet Rock.
Quiet Rock is
Yeah.
a good thing, and so they start at like $70 a sheet, but you can get them to like $130.
You don't really need to do the floors of this place, but the ceiling and maybe the floors upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's wood.
Yeah, the walls aren't crazy thick. We know we need to
like a metal
we know we need to replace the doors too because the seals on them are just
Yeah, and like add a new window.
and probably windows too.
This room, you shouldn't do anything to this.
Yeah.
As far as this one, yeah, but not the brick wall is
Brick is perfect.
Brick is solid, yeah.
Solid, man.
Hell yeah. So I was just gonna probably hang some panels up there.
Yeah.
Just like paste into the wall or something, or, you know.
You can always drill through them, and even if you want to put like the fabric mates in here,
Yeah.
like the wall treatments and stuff, you can do that in here.
One of us do that door, and then this is the other one, but they're kind of connected. So
Okay.
I think Lauren's got the key.
Do it go all the way down to the last door?
No, I think something's in that last unit.
So this is ours, and then the end is another tenant.
Yeah. Some like little boiler room or something, I think.
That's the main control room.
Yeah. I brought some speakers in just to play some music live and see what happens yesterday. Yeah, this is another real thin wall here. We have to do something to kind of rebuild that or add more layers to it.
So this would be where we close it off, kind of. This would
Yeah.
be another vocal booth here.
So
a
yeah.
window on this wall, and then this is another
Gotcha.
control room.
Yeah, this is exactly. This is the control room, and then that one would be the other like a
You're walking to this one.
Like
We might do
performances and stuff.
Yeah, we were also alternatively considering putting up a freestanding vocal booth in here and having just like a third studio.
Okay.
Yeah, we're trying to move like.
Just like yesterday, we got the keys, and like one guy we know like came to see it, and that was pretty much.
Yeah,
it.
we-
So-
yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll start from like as far as like soundproofing first,
Yeah,
and then we'll talk about like how like
the aesthetics.
soundproofing. Well, it's like the
the
room
treatment.
Yeah.
Oh,
like,
treatment.
Like sound
Okay,
treatment.
gotcha.
Because
Yeah,
you want to be able to like get the when you take it out of here, you want to put it in the car and it sounds exactly how you do it.
yeah.
So we'll just take measurements and all that stuff.
Perfect.
Yeah, it'll probably take us like 20 minutes. Or so.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
know guys, you know, I got they're bad. They're awesome.
Yeah.
They build homes and stuff, but they like, you know, they help me out with the pricing because they know what we do and stuff like that. Me and my son, we used to do it all. It just take too much.
Yeah.
It take too long, and I wouldn't want to do y'all like that. And these guys, they're fast. They like a father and son. He's an architect. You know, they're pretty good. So we're gonna go talk to them now and write up a bid. It's crazy. Once you build it and it's nice, everybody will come and everything.
Yeah. I know, I'm stoked
There's
about
not
that.
enough studios.
Yeah. Yeah.
How you doing?
All right, thank you guys. So that was just the full inspection. Beverly Hills. We took all the measurements. We did everything we needed to. So now tonight we're gonna go ahead and write them up the bid, send it to them, and see what we got going.
So this the room. I got 6 of those. I guess you can see the size of them. And so I was thinking them on this wall. This is the wall right here. And then one on this wall. And then one on that wall. And then the clouds. One cloud or 2 clouds kind of in this center vicinity. But this is the entire room. Yeah, so that's the room.